WDV method is also called as diminishing balance method. Let's understand with an example. Amit purchased on 1st April 2020 a machinery for 6,000. On 1st October 2020, he purchased another machinery for 5,000. Next year, on 1st October 2021, the machinery which was purchased on 1st April 2020 was sold for 4,000. Depreciation is as per 10% per annum. WDV method we have to follow. Accounts are closed on 31st March. We have to prepare machinery account for 2 years, 31st March 2021 and 31st March 2022. Let's see. Machinery account. First machinery was purchased on 1st April 2020. So 2020, April 1, to bank account. M1. It was purchased for 6,000. On 1st October 2020, during the same year, one more machinery was purchased on October 1st. So October 1st, to bank account M2, 5,000. So at the end of the year, now we have two machineries. So depreciation will be charged on both the machineries. So 2021 year end, 31st March, by depreciation account M1, M2. 10% of 6,000, 600 on the first machinery. 5,000 ka 10%, 500. But we have to charge depreciation for 6 months only on M2 as it was purchased on 1st October. So 250. It comes 850. And then we'll be finding out balance CD at the end of the year. Balance CD, closing balance of M1 will be 6,000 minus 600, 5,400. And M2, 5,000 minus 250. So it comes 4,750. Now this closing balance of this 2021 March will become opening balance for the next year. April 1st, 2021 to balance BD, M1, M2, 5,400 and 4,750. So it comes 1,0150. On 1st October 2021, M1 was sold for 4,000. So 2021 October 1 by bank account M1, it was sold for 4,000. Okay, so for 6 months we will be charging depreciation up to October 1st on this machinery. So by depreciation account M1. So as per WDV we are following, so depreciation is charged on the opening balance and not on the original cost. So M1 opening balance was 5,400. 5,400 ka 10% comes 540 and it will be charged for 6 months. So it is 270. Now at the time of sale we have to find profit or loss also. So how do we find profit or loss? Opening balance minus depreciation. So opening balance is 5,400, depreciation is 270. So how much amount is left? 5,130. But it was sold for 4,000. It was sold for less amount. So we have loss by P&L account 1,130 loss. So 3 entries are passed whenever any machinery is sold: by bank account, by depreciation and profit or loss adjustment. So now 2022 March 31st, we will be left with M2 only. So depreciation on that machinery will be charged by depreciation account M2. We are following WDV. So on opening balance it will be charged. Opening balance of M2 was 4,750. So 10% of 4,750 is 475. So this is how machinery account is tallied. So as per WDV method, depreciation is charged on the opening balance and not on the original cost which we used to do in the straight line method. So this is the difference between both straight line and WDV. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.